Greetings of the day. The set presents important objective questions in engineering mechanics. These MCQs will help you practice and evaluate your preparation effectively. Test your knowledge of fundamental concepts in engineering mechanics and boost your confidence for exams. So let's start. A uniformly distributed load, UDL, acts over option A. A single point, option B. A specific length with uniform intensity, option C. The entire structure with varying intensity, option D. A concentrated section of the structure, answer. Option B, a specific length with uniform intensity. In a free body diagram, the weight of the object is usually represented as acting option A horizontally, option B tangentially, option C at the support points C, option D at the centroid vertically downward, answer. D at the centroid vertically downward. When two or more forces acting at a point are combined into a single force, it is called option A equilibrant, option B resultant force, option C couple, option D load factor, answer. B resultant force. In a hinged support, reactions are option A2, option B3, option D6, answer. A2 C1. Which is not a primary objective of engineering design, option A structural integrity, option B optimized material usage, option C maximize aesthetic appeal, option D predict system behavior, answer. C maximize aesthetic appeal. Varignon's theorem is used to determine option A magnitude of a single force, option B resultant of concurrent forces, option C moment of resultant force, option D angle of inclination, answer. C moment of resultant force. A free body diagram shows option A internal stresses, option B only applied forces, option C all external forces and moments, option D deformation, answer. C all external forces and moments. C all external forces and moments. Lamy's theorem is applicable to option A any force system, option B 3 concurrent forces, option C parallel forces, option D non-concurrent forces. Answer. B3 concurrent forces, answer. Roller support reaction is option A parallel, option B perpendicular, option C 45 degree, option D tangential, answer. B perpendicular. The primary purpose of a support in a structure is to option A provide resistance to applied loads, option B increase load intensity, option C add weight to the structure, option D allow free movement, answer. A provide resistance to applied loads. The algebraic sum of the moments of a force system about a point is equal to the moment of the resultant force about the same point. This statement is known as option A Lamy's theorem. Option B Varignon's theorem. Option C Pascal's theorem, option D Newton's first law, answer. B Varignon's theorem. Which type of support allows rotation but prevents translation in any direction, option A fixed support, option B roller support, option D free support, option D C hinge support, option D free support, answer. C hinge support. A roller support primarily resists forces in which direction, option A horizontal, option B vertical, option C both A and B, option D rotational, answer. B vertical. For a body to be in static equilibrium, the following condition S be satisfied, option A sum of all forces must be 0, option B sum of all moments must be 0, option C both A and B. Option D, only sum of moments must be zero. Answer C, both A and B. If a system of forces acting on a body produces no motion, the system is said to be an option, a motion option, B dynamic state, option C equilibrium, option D inertia. Answer C equilibrium. The reaction at the roller-supported end of a beam is always option A vertical, option B horizontal, option C inclined, option D zero. Answer A vertical. Composition of forces means option A replacing a force by two or more components, option B replacing multiple forces by their resultant, option C ignoring all forces, option D drawing the free body diagram. Answer B replacing multiple forces by their resultant. The first law of motion states that option A F H A M A, to every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Option C A body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Option D force is proportional to rate of change of momentum. Answer C A body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion unless acted upon by an external force. Which of the following is not a type of load acting on beams? Option A point load, option B uniformly distributed load, UDL, option C uniformly varying load, UVL, option D circular load. Answer D circular load. The condition of equilibrium for coplanar non-concurrent forces includes option A sum of horizontal components must be zero, option B sum of vertical components must be zero, option C sum of moments about any point must be zero, option D all of the above. Answer D all of the above.